So the artwork is a little cheesy in this issue number 42, July 1988. There's a really spicy letter I wanted to just read a couple lines from. It's in this section titled C Defended, and the guy's talking about an article in the last issue, C versus assembly language. He writes of the author, perhaps this is because Mr. Isaacson is somewhat misinformed about C and its capabilities, but he does have an excellent point when he states, all those easily accessed library functions can be very seductive. The programmer stops bothering to find the most efficient way to perform a task. So unfortunately, he then demonstrates his point with several lines of poorly written C. He also went to great lengths to attempt to prove that C is inherently inefficient. What he did prove was that bad C compiles into bad assembler. Eric, you can't make chicken soup from chicken droppings.